were fired. Below, just by the ground, you discover that they are about. We're going to...
You should calm down. Calm down.
Anybody was here.
Thank you, our judge.
There's a person there.
I kiss somebody.
Hey!
Calm down. Not begin the shoot. Not begin the shoot. Now they tell us what calm down and then they shoot. Now no they tell me they calm down and they tell us people they shoot us. They tell us what calm down. Papa. They shoot us. Now they tell us what calm down. What's happening? Now we carry gun. You are hungry too. You are hungry and hungry. Why are you telling me to eat?
We are only hungry. Why are you killing us?
Why are you killing us? Why not you do? No weapon, no ammunition. You know how it was. Joshua. Go back. Let me share people. Go back. How can we provide people that shoot? How can we provide people that shoot? So we should provide national hospital. Now we shoot them. You are not a gentleman. You are a gentleman.
Unity.